Mustang coupe. Ed and I are having a disagreement about gutters. I'm saying that gutters, one of us is wrong, and I'm sure people will investigate it. That's what they do when they watch the videos.
Yeah.
I say there's only gutters, like heavy gutters, like that. Sorry, not putting it in front of your face. Heavy gutters that are about 1/4 of an inch are on vinyl cars that have vinyl. The other cars that don't have vinyl don't have gutters. So we're going to keep our eyes out for that and see who's right.
No vinyl. And it has very large.
Yeah, but my argument is that my argument.
So your myth has
no. My argument is this car had vinyl on it. I think this car had vinyl on it. A lot of these restorations, they never put the vinyl back on.
No vinyl has a very.
Yeah, I agree.
Gutter.
No, there's no gutter there.
I wish
Ed doesn't agree with me.
still had
It's
gutters.
yeah, it's true. No gutter. I'm just messing with him. Look, see?
We're gonna wind up in the gutter.
Look, Ed. Here's the 57 Chevy. Look at that. That's a gutter, right?
That's a gutter.
That's a gutter. And I bet you there was vinyl on the top of this car.
No, it has nothing to do with vinyl tops. These cars didn't come in vinyl. Vinyl wasn't even invented then.
It's not the first time I've been wrong, but I'm not admitting it yet until you prove me wrong.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
All right. That's our challenge for today. Continuing the epic journey of a place with 600, how many cars? 800?
800.
800 cars in it. I don't know how long this daily video series is going to go, but it's going to go for a while. MustangMedics going to be delivering videos to one a day, forever. And there's a 1982 Corvette, the year that I graduated high school. This car was brand new. I don't even want to think about how long ago that was, because it's just going to be aging me. But I got something about this body, guys. It just does something to me inappropriate. Oh, if you want to see a funny video, Google search MustangMedic. Oh crap, I forgot Ed. MustangMedic Addiction. That's right, MustangMedic Addiction. And I created a pretty funny video. It's kind of a spoof, and it's talking about Mustang fastbacks, but it's funny. MustangMedic Addiction. Google search that. All right, you know what? I'll do you one better. Here's the link. There. I thought of the link why I'm shooting video. Thanks, guys.